Have you ever wondered if the incredible growth engine of Amazon, specifically its lending arm, is a global phenomenon? Do sellers in every corner of the world have the same access to capital through Amazon lending? It's a crucial question for anyone selling on Amazon or even considering it, because access to financing can be the difference between stagnation and explosive growth. But the reality of global business is rarely uniform. Regulations, economic conditions, and market strategies vary significantly from country to country. So, while Amazon's marketplace is undeniably vast, the availability of its specialized lending services is a far more nuanced picture. It's not a simple yes or no answer for, is Amazon lending available in all countries? To truly understand this, we need to delve into the history of Amazon lending, its current geographical footprint, the stringent eligibility criteria that often dictate who gets an offer, and what alternatives exist for sellers in regions where Amazon lending simply isn't an option. Prepare to have some common misconceptions shattered and gain a clearer understanding of how Amazon's financial ecosystem truly operates on a global scale. Let's rewind a bit to understand the origins of Amazon lending. The program wasn't always a part of the Amazon seller ecosystem. It officially began in 2012, with its initial focus primarily on sellers within the United States and Japan. The logic was clear. Amazon had a wealth of data on its sellers' performance, sales history, and customer satisfaction metrics. This data provided a unique and powerful way to assess creditworthiness, bypassing many of the traditional hurdles and lengthy processes associated with conventional bank loans. For many small and medium-sized businesses struggling to secure traditional financing, Amazon lending offered a breath of fresh air, a swift and data-driven approach to obtaining working capital. However, the key phrase here is looked into, or partner for. This is where the landscape becomes less straightforward. While Amazon might operate marketplaces in dozens of countries, the existence of an Amazon marketplace doesn't automatically mean Amazon lending is present in that country, or that it functions in the same way. The availability of Amazon lending in a particular country is heavily influenced by several factors. Firstly, regulatory environments. Financial services are tightly regulated, and each country has its own unique set of laws and compliance requirements. Amazon, as a global giant, must navigate these complex regulatory frameworks, which can vary wildly from one nation to another. Obtaining the necessary licenses and adhering to local financial regulations can be a lengthy and resource-intensive process. This is a major reason why Amazon lending's rollout has been gradual and selective. Secondly, market maturity and seller base. Amazon tends to prioritize markets where its seller base is substantial and well-established, with a consistent volume of transactions that provide sufficient data for their lending algorithms. Emerging markets, while potentially offering future growth, might not yet have a robust seller ecosystem or the comprehensive data needed to support a large-scale lending program. Thirdly, strategic partnerships. In some countries, instead of directly offering loans, Amazon has opted for strategic partnerships with local financial institutions or lending service providers. This allows Amazon to leverage the expertise and existing infrastructure of these partners, while still providing a financing solution to its sellers. For instance, in some European markets, Amazon has partnered with companies like TradeBridge and Ulend, and in Germany with ING, to offer financing options to eligible sellers. In the U.S., they've partnered with SellersFi. This approach allows Amazon to expand its lending reach without necessarily taking on the full burden of being a direct lender in every single jurisdiction. So, to answer the central question, no, Amazon lending is not available in all countries where Amazon operates. It's a targeted program primarily available to eligible sellers in a select number of mature Amazon marketplaces, and in some regions, it's offered through third-party partnerships. Let's talk about the countries where Amazon lending has a significant presence, either directly or through established partnerships. These typically include United States, United Kingdom, Japan, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, India, China, Vietnam, and Singapore. It's important to note that even within these countries, eligibility is not universal. Amazon lending is an invite-only program, meaning that even if you're in a supported country, you still need to meet Amazon's strict criteria. These criteria typically include a strong selling history, consistent sales volume, excellent seller performance metrics, no serious account health issues, being a for-profit, small business, no recent bankruptcy records. The specific terms and amounts offered by Amazon Lending can vary significantly based on your individual performance and the market you're operating in. Loans can range from as little as $1,000 to as much as $750,000, or even more, depending on the program and partnership. The approval process is often quick, sometimes within days, and funds can be dispersed directly into your seller account. This speed and convenience are major draws for Amazon sellers. But what if you're an Amazon seller in a country where Amazon Lending is available? Or perhaps you don't meet the stringent eligibility criteria. Does that mean you're out of luck when it comes to financing your Amazon business? Absolutely not. In conclusion, while Amazon Lending offers a powerful and convenient financing solution for eligible sellers, it is by no means universally available. Its reach is limited by regulatory landscapes, market maturity, and strategic partnerships. Therefore, if you're an Amazon seller, especially outside of the core US and UK markets, it's essential to understand that Amazon Lending might not be an option for you. However, the good news is that the e-commerce financing landscape is rich with alternatives. The growing demand for capital among online sellers has led to an explosion of innovative financial products designed specifically for businesses like yours. Whether you explore specialized online lenders, traditional banking solutions, or other creative financing models, the key is to be proactive, research your options thoroughly, and choose a solution that best supports your growth ambitions on Amazon and beyond. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.